Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your TradingView chart full screen. First, let's dive into the simplest method, using a keyboard shortcut. This quick trick will instantly expand your chart, giving you a much clearer view of market movements. A larger display helps you spot patterns and trends more easily, enhancing your analysis. We'll also explore the menu option for those who prefer clicking. Getting your chart full screen is a fundamental step for serious traders, offering an unobstructed perspective on price action and indicators. The fastest way to go full screen on TradingView is with a simple keyboard shortcut. Just press the Alt key and the F key at the same time. This combination acts as a toggle, meaning you can press it once to enter full screen and again to exit. It's incredibly convenient for quickly switching between your chart and other windows. This method saves you valuable seconds, allowing you to focus more on your trading decisions without navigating through menus. It's a universal shortcut that works seamlessly. If you prefer using your mouse, there's also a menu option to achieve full screen. Look for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, usually located in the top left corner of your chart. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Full Screen or Maximize Chart. Simply click on it, and your chart will expand to fill your entire screen. This is a great alternative if you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts or are using a touch device. Utilizing full screen mode offers several significant advantages for your trading. Firstly, it allows you to see a much larger portion of the price action and all your indicators without scrolling. This expanded view helps in identifying trends and patterns more effectively. Secondly, it minimizes distractions from other open tabs or applications, keeping your focus solely on the market. This enhanced concentration can lead to better, more informed trading decisions, ultimately improving your overall analysis and strategy execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.